Hi, this is makeup artist Orpita De. Welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will be demonstrating and recreating the makeup of Tripti Dimri from Bulbul movie. For the makeup, I kept it very simple nude makeup look. It's called no makeup look also. So I just wave my hair with iconic waver machine, and I am wearing South Indian jewelry and shari which completes the look properly. If you guys not yet subscribe my channel, then just subscribe and enjoy my videos. So first I am using my favorite moisturizer from Biotech Morning Nectar. It's a very budget friendly moisturizer also. This lightening and nourishing lotion is blended with pure honey, wheat gram and shea wheat. It sinks into skin to replace natural oils and replenish lost moisture for a noticeable fresher and fairer complexion. I am using a spoolie to comb my eyebrows. Now I am taking an angular brush and Anastasia eyebrow pomade shade dark brown. I have mixed it with Inglot Duraline melter. It's helped to melt any dry products. So you have to apply it like this way and fill the gaps of the eyebrows. Now I will going to apply my favorite concealer from Tarte shade light neutral and applying it with flat brush. After applying, I am using a sponge to blend it properly. Now I am taking a pencil brush from ProArt and dab it into my favorite highlighters from Celiha Beauty and applying it to my brow bone. Now I am using Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette and I am using this three color like this way. And I am taking a blending brush from ProArt. I will go from light to deeper. It's a very natural smoky kind of eye look. I am using darker brown shade for the eyeshadow, which is quite different from the poster picture. If you want to create the same natural look, you can skip this part. Now I am using a PAC Prime and Setting Spray to prep my skin. It instantly absorbs into skin for lasting hydration, leave your skin now ultra soft. Now I am applying MAC Strobe Cream shade Gold Light. It boosts the looks of dull, flat or tired looking skin with vitamin and mega dose of green tea. Adds softest glow to skin in sunlight to spotlight. Next I am using a primer from PAC Zero Pore Separation Cream. The pore separation cream has a cushion-like effect, making it a dream to apply while visible filling in the pores and making your skin smoother than ever. Now the color correction part, I am using a color corrector palette from Makeup Studio EP001 and I am mixing these two shades orange and brown and applying it with a fluffy blending brush from PAC to hide my pimple spot and dark circles. Time for the base. This is my favorite foundation from PAC that makes my skin look flawless without making it look like you are wearing any products at all. PAC HD liquid foundation is a long lasting fluid that provides a second skin feel. The highly blendable and buildable formula provides a natural finish. Now I am applying Huda Beauty Overachiever High Coverage Nourishing Concealer shade Cotton Candy into my highlighting areas. This concealer have 31% pure pigment and multi-action skincare actives. The Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer is not only covers and conceals but also smooths the delicate skin around the eyes with every application. Now I am using Makeup Studio TL powder and the shade is 1. And it gives a matte result, excellent product for fixing the foundation. Work best with HD products of makeup. Now I am using Makeup Studio Powder Contouring Palette using a fluffy blending brush to give a natural contour to my skin. I am using a peach shade from Makeup Studio palette for the blush. Now I am using Maybelline Metallic Highlighter, Maybelline Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter. The shade is Molten Gold. It's a very magical product and it gives a metallic shine into your face and it's very budget friendly product also. I am using the darker peach shade from the same palette, Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette, and I am using with a flat brush and blend properly in my lower lash line area. Now it's time for the eyeliner. I am making very thin line with using the product Inglot 77 gel liner for the natural finish. Now I am using a pencil brush to smudge the line. To enhance my look, I am using Miss Clear false lashes. The another favorite product of mine, this is the mascara from Maybelline Push Up Drama Mascara. This is very good mascara. I am taking this dark brown shade to fill my eyebrows properly. Now I create the bindi look exact like Tripti Dimri's look. So for the same finish I am using powder red color Sidur and applying it with backside of a thin brush in a circular motion. For the natural lip shade I am using a nude lip color from the Ferrarosi brand and its number is 04 and applying it to all over my lips. So guys, this is my finished makeup look. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, then don't forget to click on the like button and also subscribe my channel, and don't forget to comment in the comment section, and please share with your friends and family, and please like my Facebook page www.facebook.com/orpita.bridal.makeup and follow me on my Instagram ID Orpita's Bridal Makeup. And thanks for watching. Love you. Bye.